Sneezing is a common and fascinating bodily function that helps protect our respiratory system. Essentially, a sneeze is a protective reflex that involves expelling air forcefully through the nose and mouth. This action removes irritants from the nasal cavity. The process begins when our nasal mucosa detects the presence of foreign particles like dust, pollen, or even strong odors. These irritants stimulate sensory nerve endings, sending a signal to the brain. In response, the brain triggers a complex chain of events. The diaphragm contracts sharply, the eyes close, and air is rapidly expelled from the lungs. The expulsion of air can reach speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Interestingly, this reflex is not just limited to removing irritants. It also plays a role in maintaining the overall cleanliness of our nasal passages.